2 of my Memorial Day special build, just to kind of give a little bit more of a background to the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch the video and we'll just go from there. So this is where we get into the build. We have installed the M.2 drive, which is basically your internal storage. So my Windows will boot from the M.2 drive. It is 1 terabyte loading my operating system. So that way it gives me enough space to kind of download the programs that I need. Right here, one of the things that you want to do is install your M.2 drive, install the bracket for your CPU fan on the back of the motherboard. Depending on your processor, if you have Intel or AMD, here is what I use for my AMD. Everything's in the manual. You will fall in love with those manuals, trust me, you'll keep them forever. Right here, we're installing the CPU. When you install your processor, you want to make sure that the lever clicks down. I do show the lever being pulled down, but I don't show it latching onto the hook. So I just pointed that out just for future sake. The next thing you want to do is when you install your RAM sticks, you want to unclip the fastens that will hold your RAM drive or your RAM stick. Once you install your RAM, you will hear it click, and that just means that it accepted it and it's there. Depending on your system, if you have 2 gigabytes of RAM or 2 sticks of RAM, not 2 gigabytes of RAM, but if you have 2 sticks of RAM, your motherboard manual will tell you what order to put it in. In this case I have 4, so I just did every slot. When you have 2 sticks of RAM, depending on the motherboard that you use, it'll tell you what slot to put it on, and the manual is very helpful and will be able to tell you where to put those in. So we'll go ahead and just continue through this. Once you have that, you can go ahead and install your graphics card. It usually takes up 2 of those grills. So you want to just kind of align the graphics card prior to taking off the grills. I took off 3. You guys won't be able to see it, but I took off 3 just to kind of account for it just in case if I had to move anything. And you will notice that there is a latch on the graphics card slot. You want to leave that as is. Once the graphics card gets caught in the motherboard, you will hear it clicking back. Here I'm just going to pause because I feel like it really zoomed pretty fast through this part. Right now I have 2 bays where I can use, so I can get another one of these, which is great. I think it's cheaper on Amazon, but you know, shipping and delivery may take into account. So for $49.99, you can get it on Amazon, but if you go to like your Best Buy or Micro Center, you can get it for $51.99, and they'll probably have it for you ready that same day. So definitely a great investment, and that's pretty much it. The only thing that I would say is try to stay within your budget. If you know that you want to build a PC for gaming and only gaming, know that you're gonna spend at least, you know, around like $1,500. You can go super budget and, you know, wait for those sales to come out, and you can buy used equipment. And that again is if you are comfortable with that. I'd rather buy the stuff brand new from the store with warranty, and the longevity of the system will probably last me about 7 to 10 years, to be honest. So for what I want this system to do, it definitely holds up. Again, plan your parts. I use PC Part Picker. It shows you what's compatible with your system. You can, you know, tweak things, go from different vendors, Amazon, Best Buy, Newegg, and kind of just like shop around for the lowest price. And you're not gonna get everything that's on PC Part Picker, so don't get married to those parts, but just do yourself a service, look around, shop for the best deals, and be patient. Only thing that I didn't show in this video was connecting the power supply. You will get it done But just know, if this is your first time building it, it'll probably take you 2 days to complete. You can definitely do it in a day if you have the patience and you have ample space, but those cables are pretty thick, and to kind of weave everything around and get it in a comfortable spot where you're happy with is everything that you need. It's okay if you have a wire or two sticking out. You're not gonna get everything done the first time. This had everything that I needed, have more than enough power, have more than enough give from this build. So again, thank you for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one, and smash that like button, subscribe, and share with someone that you think would love to build a PC.